Happy birthday to Marivic! I hope you're having a good day today, and we wish you a lot of happiness and good health. And strength.
And strength. Yeah.
More strength.
Ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Nanay.
birthday!
Bye!
Bye!
Happy 50th birthday, Marivic. Sana pagkalooban ka ng Panginoon ng lakas at sana tuloy-tuloy paggaling mo. Wala naman ibang wish kasi alam ko meron na kayo sa iyo lahat. Yun lang, good health.
Happy birthday, Jack. More blessings to come. I wish you good health and more blessings.
50th birthday, Tita Jack. I hope you have a good celebration, and I wish you good health and to be happy and more blessings to come.
Hi, Tita Jack. Happy birthday. Tatry ko hindi na ulitin yung wish ng iba, pero ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana palagi kang makahanap ng time mag-smile, sana palagi kang makahanap ng time na tumawa, at sana palagi kang makahanap ng time na mag-relax. Kung may isa man akong word na madedescribe kay Tita Jack, siya ay isang fighter, palaban, kahit anong pagsubok man yan, o kahit isa pang waiter na matagal kami pinag-aantay sa restaurant, si Tita Jack ay palaging may malakas na fighting spirit. So, sana hindi mawawala sa yun. And yeah, yun lang. I hope you enjoy your day, and we all love you very much.
Happy birthday, Tita Jack. Have a good day. Have the best day ever. And we love you. And enjoy your day. You will have the best day of your life today on your birthday. So bye-bye. Happy birthday, Tita Jack. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday! Enjoy lang. Love you! Happy birthday! Enjoy lang, enjoy. Ganito birthday. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal kita.